An MBZ file is a complete Moodle course backup. Every lesson, quiz, and resource archived into a single portable package. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore or migrate this e-learning course. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest MBZ cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. MBZ Files are Moodle's course backup, archives containing all course content activities, resources, grades, and configuration data needed to restore or transfer a complete Moodle course. They are used for course migration between Moodle installations and disaster recovery. Moodle MBZ files are zip archives containing XML manifest files, course content, HTML, and embedded media resources. The backup follows Moodle's internal backup format specification and preserves course structure, activity settings, and enrolled user data configuration. This MBZ file is designed specifically for the developer tool Moodle by Moodle HQ. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows can't load backup images or sets, so specialized software is needed to review them. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your MBZ file and select Open with, Test Moodle if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If you still can't open the MBZ file, it's okay. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, restoring a course. Log into your Moodle site as administrator and navigate to Site Administration. Then Courses, then Restore Course. Upload the MBZ file and follow the restoration wizard to select course content. Configure user data options and choose the target course location. Next, importing course content. To add content from an MBZ file to an existing course, use Course Administration, then restore within the target course. Choose Merge the backup course into this course during the restoration wizard to combine backup content with existing course activities. Finally, troubleshooting restore errors. If restoration fails, check that your Moodle version is compatible with the backup file version. Older MBZ files may require a Moodle version upgrade compatibility conversion. Check the server PHP memory limit and execution time settings if restoration times out. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.